Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Option Selector user interface board on this Electrolux front-load washing machine. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. A faulty Option Selector user interface can result in a lot of different issues. You might find error codes inside of it for communication errors. This will result in maybe problems with the selector knob or the selector switch or maybe the main control. But the most common thing I find is when you press buttons, maybe it won't select or won't illuminate or just make a beeping sound. These are all very common for a faulty user interface selector. To begin,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.